Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make creamy tom yum soup. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need fresh aromatics like lemongrass, galangal, and kaffir lime leaves for that authentic flavor. Don't forget your protein, typically shrimp and some sliced mushrooms. The creamy texture comes from coconut milk, balanced with fish sauce, fresh lime juice, and a touch of chili paste for heat. Now, let's build that incredible flavor base. Start by bruising your lemongrass and galangal to help release their aromatic oils. Simmer these, along with kaffir lime leaves, in a pot of water or chicken broth. This step is crucial for infusing the liquid with the soup's signature taste. Next, stir in your tom yum chili paste and a good splash of fish sauce to deepen the umami. Once your broth is fragrant, it's time to add the creamy element. Pour in your coconut milk, stirring gently to combine. This transforms the clear broth into the luscious, creamy tom yum we love. Then, add your shrimp and sliced mushrooms. Cook them just until the shrimp turn pink and the mushrooms are tender, which usually takes only a few minutes to prevent overcooking. For the perfect finish, remove the soup from the heat and stir in fresh lime juice. This brightens all the flavors and adds that essential tangy kick. Taste your soup and adjust the seasonings if needed, perhaps a little more fish sauce or lime. Ladle into bowls, garnish with fresh cilantro, and serve immediately for a truly delicious and comforting meal.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.